Independence Day speech. Good morning to everyone. My name is Latish. Today is Independence Day of our country. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate it 15th of August every year. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom fighters. That their whole life for our freedom. We should be grateful to our brave heroes. Independence Day is the national festival of India. All Indians celebrate this day by hoisting the flag and singing the national anthem. I am very proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you to all. Jai